Mabuhay! Magandang araw everyone. Welcome to San Juan City, Metro Manila. One of the smallest but mightiest city in the Philippines. I'm your tour guide for today, and I am so excited to show you the highlights of this vibrant and historic city. First stop, Pinaglabanan Shrine. We begin at the Pinaglabanan Shrine, a National Historic Site. This is where Filipino revolutionaries bravely fought Spanish forces in 1896. Take a moment to admire the towering monument. It's not just a stone, it's a symbol of courage in our fight for freedom. You can also visit the Museo ng Katipunan nearby, filled with artifacts from the Philippine Revolution. Our next stop would be San Juan City Hall and Church. A quick drive takes us to the San Juan City Hall, known for its modern Filipino architecture and colorful murals. Right across is the San Juan del Monte Church, or St. John the Baptist Parish, over 400 years old. Fun fact, this is where former President Ferdinand Marcos and Imelda Romualdez got married. Third stop would be Green Hills Shopping Center. Now, who's ready to shop? Welcome to Green Hills San Juan's crown jewel for bargain hunting. From pearls, gadgets, and fashion items to Korean beauty products, you name it, it's here. Don't forget to try the famous Vimos Lechon, and if you're into tech, head to Changge Center for accessories and gadgets galore. For our final stop, lifestyle and food. Before we end, let's cruise through the Ortigas Avenue area, filled with cafes, gyms, and rooftop lounges. You'll also find the Promenade Mall and Theater Mall, perfect for movie lovers and foodies. Craving for local food? Try EXO 46 Heritage Bistro or grab street eats like Isaw and Kwek Kwek near Wilson Street. And that's our quick but jam-packed tour of San Juan, a city of history, shopping, and local pride, all packed into just 595 hectares. Thank you for joining me, and remember, in San Juan, every street tells a story. Hanggang sa muli, thank you.